obstinate. And obstinate, again, this is an intermediate level English vocabulary word. And I have chosen it from chapter 6 of my reading of David Copperfield by Charles Dickens. And that word is obstinate. Obstinate is an adjective, and it means stubborn. Somebody who resists change, or refuses to do something, and you can't convince them to do it. So let's see how we can use it in a sentence. Here is a situation. Mary was in a very bad mood because the company where she works was purchased by another company, and they changed all of the rules and procedures. Okay, she didn't like that. She wanted the old things. She liked the old ways. She doesn't like the new ways. She refused to do the new things. So Mary was fired. Because she was obstinate, she was fired. Because she was stubborn and refused to change, she was fired. Let's make a why Mary fired question. Why? Why was she fired? Why was she fired? Let's change that into a reported speech question. Oh, so Cherie says obstinate is a French word, so he recognized it. Yes, that's right. It is a Latin word, so if you speak Spanish or French or Italian, you probably understand that word. So that's good. A lot of the words that we use in English from French are pretty advanced words, actually. So if you know French, you already have a very large advanced vocabulary in English. Okay, so we have where was I? Okay, so we have why was she fired, and let's change that into a reported speech question. John asked Lisa. He asked her. He asked her. He asked her why she was. He asked her why she was fired. And here is the answer. Because she was obstinate, meaning she refused to change. She was stubborn. She resisted the change. She was fired because she was obstinate. Now let's change this into a reported speech situation. Lisa said. She said. She said that. She said that she was fired. Okay. Now she said that she was fired. Let's change the verb was, which is in the simple past. Because it's reported speech, let's change it to past perfect. She was fired. She had been fired. She said that she had been fired. She said that she'd been. She said that she'd been fired. She said that she'd been fired because she was obstinate. She was obstinate. Reported speech, let's change was to past perfect. She had been. She had been obstinate. She said that she'd been fired because she'd been obstinate. Okay, let's try another example. Here's another situation. Little Mikey hates vegetables. His mother tries to make him eat vegetables, but he resists. He refuses. He says no to eating vegetables. Because he is resisting, because he is stubborn, we can say that little Mikey is obstinate. Little Mikey is obstinate and won't eat his vegetables. Because of this, his mother punished him. She made him go to his room. Go to your room if you won't eat your vegetables. Little Mikey is being punished. He is being punished. Let's make a why question with he is being punished. Why? Why is he? 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 Why is he being? Why is he being? Why is he being? Why is he being punished? Why is he being punished? Now let's change this to a reported speech question. The father asked the mother. He asked her. He asked her. Now the direct question is, why is he being? Okay, but we don't want to use the question form because we don't have a question anymore. So we have to change it to why he is. Statement form, why he is being punished. He asked her why he is being punished. Why he is being. Why he's being punished. He asked her why he's being punished. Why he's being punished. Why he's. He asked her why he's being punished. Now, because it's reported speech, we should change the is, which is in the present, to was, the past. He asked her why he was being punished. He asked her why he was. He asked her why he was being punished. Okay, and the reason is because he is obstinate. But let's change this, Let's change this to reported speech. We'll say, she said. She said he is obstinate and will not eat his vegetables. Okay, but we're doing reported speech, so let's change is to was. She said he was obstinate. Now in reported speech, you change will to would. She said he was obstinate and would not eat his vegetables. And wouldn't eat his vegetables. And wouldn't eat his. And wouldn't eat his. And wouldn't eat his vegetables. She said he was obstinate and wouldn't eat his vegetables. She said he was obstinate and wouldn't eat his vegetables. She said he was obstinate and wouldn't eat his vegetables. All right, one more and then we are finished. Oh, it's an hour and a half. That's pretty long. Okay, our final word of the day.